For electrical substations, this camera offers the capability to replace faulty equipment and stop leaking product.
The circuit breakers are filled with this gas known as sulfur hexafluoride, or SF6.
The gas itself is quite expensive. It goes out at $8 to $10 a pound.
So if you think about it, you put it in perspective, if you've got a leak that's leaking, let's say, a pound a day.
Utilities may be spending up to $15 million a year just to replace leaking gas.
That leak can also take down the piece of equipment that the gas is housed in.
You know, a 500 kilovolt or 500 kV breaker, it could be millions of dollars. So finding leaks before the system fails, before the component fails, could save potentially millions of dollars.
The Gas Finder Longwave infrared camera from FLIR provides a unique ability to make sulfur hexafluoride and other harmful gases visible to the naked eye.
The design approach we took with the new Longwave camera gave users sight.
They're going to be able to look at their components and see for the first time a gas leak.
A lot of times they know they have a leak because they can watch the pressure gauge. Oh, the pressure's dropping, but where is it?
This camera will tell these people where the leak is, and not only that, but could potentially tell them how big is the leak.
You see immediately where the problems are.
What the personnel will see through the viewfinder or through an external recording device is a gas plume. It could show up as a dark plume. In certain cases, it may show up as a white plume.
For a repair person, being able to document exactly where it is, here's the video, here's the picture, that's what you can fix.
Past approaches have been using soap and water, lasers, sniffers, and a variety of other implements that left the user wanting more.
There was a system that used a, so to speak, a laser with an infrared camera to illuminate the gas leak if there was one present.
It doesn't work because it's bulky. It doesn't work because you need a background to shine the laser off of.
The other technique that utilities have used are sniffers. They're like probes, and you walk around with a sniffer. Well, you're not going to go up to a 500,000 volt rupture disc that's 2 feet away from that electricity and use a sniffer.
With the Gas Finder Longwave, we can stay at a safe distance. With interchangeable optics, we can then even get at a farther distance to be able to view these gas leaks, perhaps even outside the fence area, outside of the dangerous zone.
This camera is a very, very rugged camera.
It'll stand up to all the conditions, whether it's rain, whether it's heat, or whether it's cold.
It is very intuitive. Flip the switch, look through the eyepiece, in a few minutes you'll be seeing gas.
It's lightweight, it's portable, it's easy to use, and people are going to want to use it to find gas leaks.
I'm very excited because it saves the utility money, it helps the environment.
Gas Finder Longwave will now give utility customers the ability to find gas leaks fast, effective, efficiently, and be able to report back to their customers, report back to the environment that they are doing something about this.
It's a good feeling to be able to say, I can fix this, I know what the problem is, and I can do it quickly.
From FLIR, the global leader in infrared cameras.